Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Venasmin yathadehi kaumanam yauvanam jara tatha dehantaram prati dhirastata nami. So, this is a statement by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhagavad-gita. You are not this body. The first instruction for spiritual understanding is to know that I am not this body. This is the beginning. The so-called yogis, they are exercising the body, studying the psychology of the mind by charts, by so many humbugs, but our pleasure is that we are not this body. And what is the question of exercising the body and spiritual realization? If I am not this body, then how I can realize myself simply by some gymnastic process? So, this is the mistake. The Kurmis, Gyanis and the Yogis. The Kurmis, pretty worker, materialistic person, they want bodily comforts. Their only idea is how to get the best comfort of this body. This body means the senses. They have got eyes, ears, nose, mouth, tongue, hands, genitals, so many senses we have got. So as soon as we are in the bodily concept of life, immediately the necessity is for senses. But Krishna says to Arjuna that you are not this body. So therefore, my self-interest does not depend on my bodily comfort. They do not know this. Everyone at the present moment in this age, their only business is how to gratify the senses. Atheistic principle. Just like there was a great atheist, Charvak, all classes of philosophers there were in India. The Western countries, they have got little information, but in India there was cultivation of all kinds of philosophy. The atheist philosophy was there. Charvak Muni is the chief of the atheist class of philosophers. So he said, hedonism, the Western philosophy is hedonism. That eat, drink, be merry and enjoy. This philosophy. So long you have got this body, eat, drink, be merry and enjoy. The Charvak Muni also said like that. Rinam kritya dhritam vijay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,